How to speed up any internet connection on your Windows 11 or 10 Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you an easy guide that will help you to speed up any internet connection on your Windows 11 or 10 so without any delay. Let's just dive right into the video. For that, you just need to go ahead and go to the search bar and type in control panel there. And once you type in that, you can just go ahead and open it up. And once you open up your control panel, and you'll be finding this Windows, go to the category section, view by, and select up category, and you'll be finding network and internet. Go ahead and click on it, and then go to network and sharing center, this one right here. And here you will be finding your internet connected, whether it is an Ethernet or an Wi-Fi, and you'll be finding an hyperlink here. So you just need to go ahead and click on it, and once you click on it on this Windows, you're going to go to properties and open up your properties here. And once you open up your properties, you will be finding this on the screen. So we're going to go ahead and click on this configure, and this will open up again. And under configure, what we're going to do is, let me just put it in this middle of the screen. So the next step we're going to apply is go to power management. And under this, if you find a check mark here under the allow the computer to turn off, you're going to go ahead and uncheck it and go to advanced tab after that. And after going here on this properties section, we're going to go ahead and select this one right here, running appearances. And then we're going to go ahead and select up the highest from here, or you can also go ahead and disable it. And after you have done that, the next thing we're going to locate here is this one right here. And after that, go ahead and enable it if it is disabled, this fat channel and tolerance. And after that is done, you can just go ahead and click on OK. After the changes has been applied, I can just go ahead and click on OK. And then after that is done, you should be finding that your internet connection has been sped up on your Windows 11 or 10. So that is how you speed up any internet connection on your Windows or 11 or 10 PC by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching these videos.